how to find add yours prompts on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the search bar and search for hashtag add yours prompt. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view a bunch of add yours prompt. Simply tap on any of the prompts of your choice and further tap on their profile. Now, tap on the story highlights you see there and you will be able to add the prompt to your story. So select the prompt that you want to add and further tap on the add yours button and then go ahead and add your story by entering pictures suitable for the prompt. So this is how you can find add yours prompt on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.